Good medical morning. Have you ever felt a throbbing sensation along your jawline and discovered a small bump under your skin? There's a chance you're experiencing cystic acne. Unlike zits, acne cysts are a type of infection that forms deep below skin tissue and doesn't easily heal with over-the-counter medicines. Professional treatments for cystic acne are often too pricey or may result in scary side effects like sunken skin. Let's start at the beginning. What exactly is cystic acne? It's a type of blemish that is deeply embedded under the surface of your skin. It can be quite painful, and it does not come to a head like pimples or other forms of acne, according to Dr. Weschler. For most women, cystic acne is linked to a hormonal imbalance, so they're likely to experience cystic acne around their menstrual cycles and see it appear on the jawline, chin, and lower portion of the face. Can you pop acne cysts the way you pop pimples? Despite being sore, picking at cystic acne is never a good idea. It absolutely does not help, and it will only lead to possible infection. Doctors recommend giving up this bad habit. If you pick at it and try to get it to come out through the surface, you're working against your skin's repair and healing processes, and this only makes it all worse. Dr. Weschler says, picking at a cyst will only leave you with an oozing, bleeding scab that's impossible to cover with makeup. All the while, the bump still sits underneath. So there you go. Stop, don't pop. Better to seek treatment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We have new medical content every single week.
If you're looking for the best night's sleep of your life, then look no further. Rest More combines 19 essential herbs, vitamins, and minerals. It's the top sleep supplement on the market today. Rest More is healthy, natural, and available on Amazon Prime through buyrestmore.com. If great sleep is important to you, then try Rest More.